Bilingualism and Cognitive Flexibility. Bilingualism, the ability to understand and use two or more languages, has significant effects on cognitive functioning, particularly on cognitive flexibility. Cognitive flexibility refers to the mental ability to switch between thinking about different concepts, adapt to changing rules, and adjust behavior to achieve goals in dynamic environments. The study of bilingualism and its relationship with cognitive flexibility has grown in recent years, revealing important insights into how language experience can shape the human mind, enhance problem solving, and influence learning, social interactions, and overall mental performance. Understanding these connections helps explain why bilingual individuals often demonstrate enhanced attention, creativity, and adaptability. Bilingualism develops through various experiences. Some individuals grow up in bilingual households, learning two languages simultaneously from an early age. Others acquire a second language later in life through education, travel, or professional requirements. Regardless of the age of acquisition, managing two languages requires continuous monitoring, control, and switching between linguistic systems. This constant mental juggling exercises the brain, improving the ability to handle multiple tasks, ignore distractions, and respond flexibly to new information. Cognitive flexibility, therefore, is closely linked to the demands of bilingual language use, as the brain must manage interference from one language while producing or comprehending another. Research in psychology and neuroscience has shown that bilingualism can enhance executive functions, which are higher-order cognitive processes including working memory, attention control, problem-solving, and cognitive flexibility. When bilingual individuals speak, listen, or read, they continuously monitor which language is appropriate in the current context and suppress the non-target language. This inhibitory control, the ability to suppress irrelevant information, strengthens cognitive flexibility by allowing the individual to shift attention smoothly, switch strategies, and adapt behavior according to situational demands. In other words, the bilingual brain develops mental agility, making it better at handling complex, changing, or conflicting information. Cognitive flexibility is crucial in many areas of life. In learning and academic performance, flexible thinking allows students to approach problems from multiple angles, adapt strategies when initial attempts fail, and integrate new information effectively. Bilingual individuals often excel in tasks that require switching between rules, identifying patterns, and resolving conflicting information because their brains are accustomed to managing multiple linguistic systems. Similarly, in professional and social contexts, cognitive flexibility enables individuals to communicate effectively with diverse groups, negotiate varying perspectives, and respond adaptively to unexpected challenges. Bilingualism, therefore, is not only a linguistic skill but also a cognitive advantage that supports adaptive thinking and problem-solving. Age and experience influence the effects of bilingualism on cognitive flexibility. Children who acquire multiple languages from an early age often show superior executive function skills compared to monolingual peers. They demonstrate enhanced attention control, better task-switching abilities, and greater creativity in problem-solving. Adolescents and adults who learn a second language later in life can also experience cognitive benefits, although these may require more intensive practice and use. Lifelong bilingualism, in particular, has been associated with delayed onset of age-related cognitive decline and dementia, suggesting that managing multiple languages strengthens the brain's neural networks and maintains cognitive reserve. Bilingualism also affects social cognition and perspective taking. Cognitive flexibility is closely tied to the ability to understand different viewpoints, empathize with others, and navigate social interactions effectively. Bilingual individuals frequently switch between cultural norms and language contexts, which requires understanding perspectives different from their own. This mental exercise enhances perspective taking, social understanding, and adaptability in multicultural environments. In essence, bilingualism not only supports cognitive flexibility in problem-solving tasks but also in social and emotional domains. It is important to note that the relationship between bilingualism and cognitive flexibility is influenced by factors such as proficiency, frequency of use, context, and language similarity. Higher proficiency and regular use of both languages strengthen the executive control system and enhance cognitive flexibility more effectively. Immersion in environments that require active switching between languages, such as multilingual schools, workplaces, or social settings, further amplifies these benefits. Conversely, limited use or low proficiency may not produce the same degree of cognitive advantage. Additionally, the similarity between languages can affect the level of interference and the demands on the cognitive control system, influencing the extent of flexibility developed. Neuroscientific studies have provided insights into how bilingualism affects brain structures associated with cognitive flexibility. Imaging studies indicate that bilingual individuals exhibit greater activity and connectivity in the prefrontal cortex, anterior cingulate cortex, and parietal regions, which are critical for attention control, task switching, and executive functioning. The constant need to monitor, select, and inhibit languages strengthens these neural circuits, making them more efficient and adaptable. This neural adaptation highlights the interplay between language experience and cognitive development, demonstrating that bilingualism has a profound impact on the organization and functioning of the brain. In conclusion, bilingualism significantly contributes to cognitive flexibility, providing advantages in attention control, problem-solving, perspective-taking, and adaptability. Managing multiple languages requires constant monitoring, inhibition, and switching, which strengthens executive functions and enhances mental agility. These benefits are evident across the lifespan, from childhood to older adulthood, and extend beyond cognitive tasks to social, emotional, and professional domains. Factors such as proficiency, frequency of use, context, and language similarity influence the degree of advantage. Bilingualism demonstrates that language experience shapes the mind, reinforcing the connection between learning, cognition, and adaptability. By understanding and cultivating bilingual skills, individuals can improve mental flexibility, enhance problem-solving abilities, and navigate complex social and cognitive challenges more effectively. If you found this explanation helpful and informative, please like this video and subscribe to the channel for more educational content.